When we talk about the responsiveness of an outcome measure, what we really are talking about is how much does a client have to change before that outcome measure can tell us that that client has changed. What we're really talking about is how small of a difference can our outcome measure really detect or reliably detect. So a microscope is more responsive than a handheld magnifying glass because it can see smaller changes. If we measure the same person under the same conditions multiple times, we would expect some natural variation due to random error in those measurements. That range of errors that we get, that variation, is called the standard error of measurement. From that natural variation, that's the standard error of measurement, we can calculate the minimum detectable change. The minimum detectable change is how much variation we need to see before we're sure that the change is real. So if we have a minimum detectable change for a measure, then if we measure someone and then measure them again and observe some change, but that change is less than our minimum detectable change, then the change that we're seeing could just be error. It could just be that natural variation. We're not sure that real change has occurred until the amount of change we see is greater than that minimum detectable change.